I am divorced and my life is in shambles. But now instead of my children I have kitty slimes. Exploding kitty slimes. Watched a phosphor slime pick up a pink slime, carry it out over the vast expanse of ocean, and dive bomb them both into the water, presumably ending both of their lives. 10 out of 10. I took innocent creatures from their homes and put them into cages while force-feeding them to get their poop. 10 out of 10, they're still happy. One of the slimes smiled at me and I cried. Bot game. Looked around to find slimes. Instantly became friends with a pink slime. Sucked slime into my Ghostbusters machine. Accidentally threw him into the abyss of an ocean. Jumped in after him and died. 10 out of 10 friendship simulator. Cheaper than therapy.